Hello and welcome to another tutorial of Looker Studio. In this tutorial, we will take you through the essential steps that helps you in create and designing your first look on Looker Studio. Looks are powerful tools for visualizing your data, and they serve as the building block for creating informative dashboards. So let's dive in. Step number 1. Accessing your Looker Studio. Before we begin, ensure that you have logged in your Looker account and accessed Looker Studio. Once you are in, you'll be greeted with the Looker interface. Now, step 2 is understanding the Looker Studio interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Looker Studio interface. You'll find various options like looks, dashboards, tiles in the sidebar. So looks are what we are focused on today, as they form the basis of your visualization. Step number 3 is creating your first look. To create your first look, click on the Looks tab and then select New Look. Give your look a descriptive name to help you identify it later. Now, step number 4 is choosing your data source. Next, choose your data source or connection you want to use for your first look. Looker supports various data sources like databases, CSV files, spreadsheets, and cloud storage, etc. Step number 5 is selecting dimensions and measures. Now comes the exciting part. Selecting the dimensions and measures you want to analyze. Dimensions are typically the attributes that you want to break your data down by, for example, date, product, etc. While measures are the metrics that you want to analyze, like revenue, sales, etc. Step number 6 is building your visualization. With your dimensions and measures selected, it's time to build your visualization. Looker Studio offers a range of visualization like line chart, bar chart, tables, maps, etc. Choose the one that best suits your data and your audience. Step number 7 is customizing your look. Make your look visually appealing and informative by customizing it. You can format numbers and labels and choose color scheme to match your brand or preferences. Step number 8 is adding filters. To make your look interactive and insightful, add filters. Filters allow users to dynamically explore the data. You can create filters for date ranges or any dimensions that make sense of the data. Step number 9 is saving your look. Once you're satisfied with your look, remember to save your work. You can give it a description to provide context for future users. Now, step 10 is preview and share. Before wrapping up, preview your look to ensure it displays the data as expected. Once you're confident, you can share with your colleagues and stakeholders by creating a shareable link. So that concludes our tutorial on creating and customize your look on Looker Studio. With this fundamental skill, you are on your way to creating insightful data visualization and powerful dashboards. So stay tuned for more Looker Studio tutorial. Thank you.